So we start with the first problem. Solve for x and y. 2x upon a plus y upon b is equals to 2. X upon a minus y upon b is equals to 4. We have to solve these two equations and we have to find the value of x and y. So let's see how we can solve this problem. Let's say this is equation 1 and this is equation number 2. Now from the first equation, that is 2x upon a plus y upon b is equals to 2, we take the LCM. Let's say AB is the LCM. So in the numerator we get AB divided by A, we get B. Now B is multiplied by 2x, we get 2bx plus AB divided by B, we get A multiplied by Y, we get AY, which is equals to 2. Now after cross multiplying we get 2bx plus AY equals to twice AB. So let's say this is equation number 3. Now if we take the equation number 2, that is x upon a minus y upon b is equals to 4. Now we take the LCM, that is AB divided by a, we get b into x, that is bx minus sign AB divided by b and b get cancelled, a multiplied by y, we get AY is equals to 4. After cross multiplying we get bx minus AY, AB 4 से multiply हो जाएगा, it becomes 4AB. Now this is equation number. Now what we are seeing that the equation number 3 and 4, the coefficient of y is plus a and the coefficient of y is minus a. Both are same but opposite in sign. So if we add these two equation, that is third and fourth, so 2bx plus ay is equals to twice ab and bx minus ay is equals to 4ab. If we add these two, so ay and ay get cancelled, so 2bx plus bx, that is 3bx is equals to 2ab plus 4ab, that is 6ab. So x is equals to 6ab divided by 3b, so we left with 2a. So the value of x is 2a. Now put the value of x equals to 2a in equation number, let's say 3. So the equation number 3 is 2bx plus ay equals to 2a. 2bx plus ay, 2bx plus ay, 2ab. Now I substitute x is equals to 2a. 2b in place of x I put 2a plus ay equals to twice ab. So 2b into 2a, that is 4ab plus ay equals to twice ab. Now ay is equals to twice ab minus 4ab. So ay equals to minus 2ab. So the value of y is minus 2ab divided by a. So a and a get cancelled, I get minus 2b. So the final solutions are x equals to 2a and y equals to minus 2b. Now we move to the next question. Again solve for a and b. We have given 125 raised to the power b is equals to 5 raised to the power a minus 3. 3 raised to the power a is equals to 81 raised to the power b plus 2. Let's say this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Let's see how we can solve this equation. Now I take the first equation, that is 125 raised to the power b is equals to 5 raised to the power a minus 3. 125 can be written as 5 raised to the power 3. We know that 5 cube is 125. What is the power of 125? That is b. So I put b is equals to 5 raised to the power a minus 3. So these two are multiplied, 3 into b, I get 5 raised to the power 3b is equals to 5 raised to the power a minus 3. As the base are same, so the powers are also equal, so I get 3b equals to a minus 3. So this is our first equation. This is our one of the equation. Let's say this is 3. I can say that the value of a from this equation, I can say that a is equals to 3b plus 3. Now I take the second equation, that is 3 raised to the power a is equals to 81 raised to the power b plus 2. 3 raised to the power a, 81 can be written as 3 raised to the power 4 b plus 2. Again 3 raised to the power a. Now 4 is multiplied with b plus 2. So 3, 4b plus 8. Now as the base are same, so the powers are also same. So a equals to 4b plus 8. Now from these two equations, let's say this is third and this is fourth. Their left hand sides are equal, so their right hand sides are also equal. From third and fourth equation, I can say that 3b plus 3 is equals to 4b plus 8. So 3b minus 4b is equals to 8 minus 3. 3b minus 4b minus b is equals to 5. So b equals to minus 5. So the value of b is minus 5. Now I put b equals to minus 5 in equation number 4. So the value of a is equals to 4 b plus 8. So the a equals to 4b plus 8, that is 4 b की value minus 5 plus 8, that is minus 20 plus 8, that is equals to minus 12. So the value of a is minus. So the final answer are a equals to minus 12 and b equals to minus 5. So these are our final answer. Now we solve the next problem. Again solve for x and y. 29x plus 37y is equals to 103. 37x plus 29y is equals to 95. Now this is a special type of a problem. In this problem what we are seeing that the coefficients of x and y interchange, means यहाँ पे देखिए x का कोएफिशिएंट 29 है तो यहाँ पे y का कोएफिशिएंट 29 है, इंटरचेंज हो गए. नाउ इधर y का कोएफिशिएंट 37 है तो इधर x का कोएफिशिएंट 37 है, तो अगेन कोएफिशिएंट आर इंटरचेंज. सो जब भी इस तरह की प्रॉब्लम हमें नजर आएगी जहाँ पे x एंड y के कोएफिशिएंट इंटरचेंज हो रहे हैं, तो इसको हम सॉल्व करने का हमारे पास एक तरीका है. फर्स्ट वी हैव टू ऐड दीज टू इक्वेशन. So I have to add 1 and 2. So 29x plus 37y equals to 103. 37x plus 29y equals to 95. I am adding. So 29 plus 37, that is 66x plus 66y equals to 198. I divide whole equation by 66. So I get x plus y equals to 3. So this is our equation now reduced. So this is third equation, let's say. Now I subtract the first equation, I subtract the second equation from the first one. So 29x plus 37y equals to 103. 37x plus 29y equals to 95. अब हम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं तो सेकेंड इक्वेशन की साइन चेंज हो जाएंगी. सो माइनस माइनस माइनस. So 29 minus 37, I get minus 8x. 37 minus 29 plus 8y is equals to 103 minus 95, that is plus 8. Now I divide whole equation by 8, so it becomes minus x plus y equals to 1. So this is equation number, let's say, 4th. Now I add these two equations 3, 4. जब मैं 3 और 4 को ऐड करूँगा तो देखिए x and x get cancelled because they are opposite sign. Y plus y, I get 2y equals to 3 plus 1, that is 4. When we add 3 and 4 equation, it becomes 2y equals to 4. So the y equals to 2. The value of y is 2. Now I put y equals to 2 in equation number 3. Put y equals to 2 in equation number 3. So what is 3? That is x plus y equals to 3. X plus y equals to 3. I put y equals to 2. X plus 2 equals to 3. The value of x is 1. So this is our answer. The value of x is 1. Now we see the next problem. Solve for x comma y comma z. X minus y plus z equals to 6. X minus 2y minus 2z equals to 5. 2x plus y minus 3z equals to 1. हमें ये तीन इक्वेशन दे रखी है और यहाँ पे तीन वेरिएबल्स है x, y and z. Now how we can solve this problem? So let's say this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2, this is equation number 3. Now let's see how we can solve this. Let's say we take the first equation. From this first equation, find the value of z. Let's say x minus y plus z equals to 6. So I get the value of z is equal to 6. X become minus x, minus y become plus y. So this is the value of z from the equation number 1. Now I substitute the value of z, which is I find from equation number 1. I put this value in the equation number 2 and the equation number 3, so that the equation number 2 and 3 are in the form of x and y only, because the z is eliminated. Now the equation number 2 and 3 are reduced to x and y, so I can solve these, and by solving these I get the value of x and y, and then after that I can get the value of z, because z is in the form of x and y. So start the procedure. I put the value of z in equation number 2. Put z is equal to 6 minus x plus y in equation number 2. So it becomes x minus 2y minus 2z. In place of z I write 6 minus x plus y equals to 5. Solve the bracket. X minus 2y minus 12 plus 2x minus 2y equals to 5. So x plus 2x become 3x, minus 2y, that is minus 4y, minus 12 is shifted to that side, right hand side, it become plus, so it becomes 17. So the first equation is 3x minus 4y equals to 17. Let's say this is equation number 4. Now I put the value of z. Put z is equals to 6 minus x plus y in equation number 3. So the equation number 3 becomes, what is equation number 3? That is 2x plus y, 2x plus y minus 3z equals to 1. 3. In place of z I write 6 minus x plus y is equals to 3 minus 3z equals to 1. So I write 1 here. Now open the brackets. 2x plus y, that is plus minus 3 into 6 to minus 18, minus 3 into minus x to plus 3x, minus 3 into y to minus 3y equals to 1. So 2x plus 3x, that is 5x, plus y minus 3y minus 2y, minus 18 को हम शिफ्ट करेंगे तो प्लस 18 में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, that is equals to 19. So this is equation 5th. 5x minus 2y equals to 19. Now we have to solve these two equations 4 and 5. So what we are seeing that the coefficient of y is minus 4, here y is minus 2. So we can make the coefficient of y equal. If I multiply this equation number 5 with 2, it becomes minus 4y. So the coefficients are equal. So I have to multiply the equation number 5 with 2. So it becomes 10x minus 4y equals to 38. Let's say this is equation number. Now I have to subtract equation number 4 minus 6. Now 4 minus 6. Equation number 4 में से हम 6 को minus करेंगे. What is 4 equation? 3x minus 4y equals to 17. 3x minus 4y equals to 17. इसमें से minus करनी है हमें. 6th equation 10x minus 4y equals to 38. Subtract करेंगे तो sign change. 4y get cancelled. 3x minus 10x I get minus 7x equals to 17 minus 38 I get minus 21. So the value of x minus minus get cancelled. So x equals to 21 by 7, that is 3. The value of x is 3. Now put x equals to 3 in equation number 5. So I get 5, x की जगह 3 रखेंगे, minus 2y equals to 19. So 5 into 3, that is 15, minus 2y equals to 19. So minus 2y equals to 19 minus 15. So minus 2y equals to plus 4. So the value of y is equals to minus 2. Now, as we know that the z is equals to, what is z? Z is 6 minus x plus y. The value of z is 6 minus x plus y. Put the values of x and y. 6, x is 3 and y is minus 2. So 6 minus 3 plus into minus 2. So minus 6 minus 5, that is 1. So the value of z is 1. So the final answers are x equals to 3, y equals to minus 2 and z equals to 1. So these are the final answers. This is for today. Thank you.